Hello everybody. Welcome back to my channel. And if you are new here, once again, welcome. Go ahead and consider subscribing down below if you like to enjoy a lot of cleaning content, mommy videos, things like that. So in today's video, we're going to be cleaning up. We're going to be finally organizing a pantry. I've lived in my apartment for a while and I've never used it as a pantry area. So it's about time I break it out because I've started to not really understand where food is going basically and what all I'm investing in health-wise. So I figured why not develop a pantry, start actually using it, and I can see where I'm at when it comes to like snacks for my kids, snacks for me, because I mean we all enjoy some. So not just that, but like, you know, pasta sauce, different meals, just, and I need areas open in my kitchen for dishes because Lord, it's gotten bad. So when I initially went to TJ Maxx and got these baskets, I was honestly going to go to Dollar General first, but then they were all sold out. So when I went to TJ Maxx, I found these baskets and I thought they were deeper. So as you can see here, I'm like, oh yeah, this isn't gonna be enough space. So I actually switched all of my baby's food and his little pouches and stuff to this big basket that's a little bit deeper because the white ones are just not deep enough. So I'll have to reevaluate that maybe in the near future, but as of right now, I think what I got set up is gonna work just fine. But yeah, I'm just kind of taking out everything. I had just actually went grocery shopping this when I was putting all this food up for this week, so it felt good to kind of actually have places to put it instead of like trying to shove it all within like one cabinet or anything like that. So I wound up just doing these three like juices and these bars. I have a lot of Built bars coming in the mail, so this is where I'm gonna literally put all of them. And then this box, I don't know what I'm gonna do with yet. I was thinking about making this like my pasta box, but not really sure yet. Obviously this is my first time really even getting together a pantry because I don't really have one. I normally just shove everything out in the cabinets up there, but I want to start transitioning things in here so that I can make room in my cabinets for dishes and stuff, because I have no room for my dishes. So that is why I decided to put everything in here, and I want to kind of transition this into a pantry. And this is just like the simplest kind of pantry. Eventually I want to I put my bread down here so I can get it from off the refrigerator, and then obviously my cereal and canned goods and stuff. And I want to get some of those can organizers up there, and then one of those like Lazy Susans that turn for like my oils and my vinegars and vinaigrettes and Pam spray and all that. Keep my seasonings out there because those are what I immediately need. So, but yeah, so now I can finally kind of go through my cabinets out here, and oh, it's messy. I'm sorry, I just went grocery shopping. Finally can go through my cabinets and get everything out of these cabinets and transition it in there and make room for dishes. So let's finish up this video. So I go through laundry detergent and, you know, things like that, like nobody's business. So if you guys have any tips on like how to save on laundry detergent, let me know down below, because I go through it and I find myself buying laundry detergent so much. It's annoying. But yeah, so here I am. I'm just, you know, emptying out the dishwasher, and I'm just going to be 100% real. I do not like doing dishes on camera, but it's a part of my cleaning process. So that is why I typically skip through my dishes. But I just wanted to include that in here because, like I said, it is a part of my cleaning process. So, but I just cannot stand doing dishes because it takes me forever. It literally will take me like an hour to really get through dishes because I wash my dishes twice. I know people are like, why would you do that? But I do, because it just makes me feel like they're a lot cleaner, more sanitized, things like that. So here I am. I'm just loading my dishwasher. This one, I'm trying to go by a little bit faster. But yeah, so I'm just trying to get all these dishes. And y'all, dishes pile up so quick in my house. It is ridiculous. I'm about to start using paper plates because no.
You take my love for granted. Say a bunch of stuff you never mean, yeah. I think I need a minute to figure out my limits. You cross them more than once, yeah. You take my love for granted.
After I got done wiping down all the counters, I realized my microwave was pretty nasty. So I was like, let me go ahead and just wipe my microwave down and get that kind of cleaned up, because it's been a minute since I cleaned in there. So I went ahead and took that out, just kind of wiped it out. I didn't deep clean it like I wanted to. I just wanted to get all of the big crumbs and like the food splatter out mainly. And then I wanted to clean off the microwave plate too because it was gross. But yeah, so I just went ahead and cleaned out my microwave because it was nasty and it needed it really bad. So it was actually pretty late, as you could tell by the time on my microwave. So my kids had McDonald's for dinner. No shame in my game. It was not happening. I did not feel like cooking. So I'm just wiping down the table. And like I was stating earlier, it was pretty late in this first half of this video
because we had like all day, we was running around all day, so I didn't really get into cleaning until later. But I'm so excited because, as you can see, I'm pushing my table back because I'm about to steam mop my floors, and now I'm just sweeping, and I'm so excited because I'm itching to use a steam mop and my floors need it. So I'm just kind of getting up all the big stuff off the floor, like just trying to sweep it and get it cleaned up. And then what I'm gonna do, you'll see in the next few clips, is I'm trying to figure out how to use it. I just like opened it and used it, and this was really cool. I really enjoyed it. But here I am, I'm trying to figure this bad boy out because it was difficult to like figure out where to put the little fragrance disc and stuff. So I'm just sitting here reading the instructions. But yes, I'm so excited to finally steam off these floors.
Nothing more to say, let's just waste away. One more time is all we need. A bitter truth to face, not that innocent. We know what we did. I'm a sucker for your love, even though it's kinda toxic, babe. You know I feel it when we touch, that your love is from a different place. It's toxic, babe. Oh, it's toxic, babe. Yeah, yeah. It's toxic, babe. Spinning like a broken record. For a player, you don't know that many major chords. We hang out and then you get bored, and you leave me here like I'm your landlord. You come back and say I'm sorry, boo, and I know you never mean it, gets you in though. Did you call me cause you had to? Cause you know I'd throw your suitcase out the window. I don't need you here to feel good. No, I'm not angry, I got better things to do. Tell your friends I will be just fine. Don't need no therapist, there's nothing like wine. So you're burning with desire. You sure know how to set a girl on fire. I'm not calling you a liar. Honestly, I'm just so tired.
So in my dining room, I steam mopped it on the second level, but in my kitchen preferably, I steam mopped it on the highest setting because I had so many small sticky spots throughout my kitchen floor. It was gross because I have not mopped it, really like truly mopped it. I've like taken over like a Swiffer, but I've never like mopped my floors. So what I did was, per the instructions, you're supposed to like leave it over those sticky spots for a few more seconds. So that's what I did in my kitchen because it needed it and I loved it. This steam mop is really cool. If you can get one, get your hands on it because it cleans 99% of bacteria and germs on the floor. But also all it does is take water. So you don't need to buy any, of that stuff that you need to mop or anything. It just steam mops. It's really cool and it's really cost effective. So if you can get your hands on one, get your hands on one because it really does the job.
'Cause there's nothing like wine.
And this is what I mean by it did the job. It's amazing.
Nothing like wine.
All right, so as you can tell, it is actually midnight and I'm kind of getting tired. you guys know the stop, start when you're a mom and you got kids and things. So I'm actually gonna pick up finishing cleaning tomorrow. So I'm going to see you guys in the morning.
Right, so as you saw, it is the next day and it's more so around noon when I get started with my living room. I just wanted to straighten up and tidy up. As you can tell, it's not really that bad, but I just wanted to kind of straighten up and tidy up. I'm trying to figure out what I want to do with the wall behind my couch. I plan to stay in my apartment for at least 2 more years because I'm about to start back school and hopefully get through nursing school. So I'm trying to figure out how I want to decorate. Obviously, you can tell it's a smaller apartment, and I don't want to, pile too much stuff in it. But at the same time, I just feel like the wall behind my couch is so empty. So if you guys have any pointers for that, let me know. But yeah, I'm running out of space, so I'm hoping that I can get through nursing school and move because Lord knows I need it. But yeah, so I'm just vacuuming the floor. I love this vacuum. I cannot get enough of this vacuum. It is truly amazing. And here I am, I'm finally making it into my kids' room. I've never really put my kids' room on my channel just yet. So I'm finally happy to kind of do it. Now, I put these beds together. My friend came over and helped me like with the initial setup, but I got honestly impatient because we had to cut it off. And so I stayed up until midnight finishing putting these beds together because I was so excited. My kids went from toddler beds to big boy beds and it was just a milestone. So as you can tell, I'm still using his toddler blanket. I know the ghetto, but hey, you got to do what you got to do when, and make best do with what you got. So I'm just kind of, making their little beds and stuff, and just give me some pointers on what you think I should do with their walls and stuff. Like I said, I plan to stay in my apartment for at least a couple more years. So if you guys have any pointers on how to decorate a boys' room with white furniture, let me know. I was thinking maybe like basketball, dinosaurs, stuff like that. But yeah, if you guys have any pointers, let me know down below on how you guys decorated your kids' room. I was thinking about honestly getting those Betty's things for their beds, but and then here this little guy getting all up in the camera. What y'all don't see is me saying get out of my camera is what you don't see. So to finish up this cleaning video, I'm just gonna vacuum their floor. As you can tell, it just needed a quick run over. And my little baby boy, he is obsessed with this vacuum as much as I am. So I'm always constantly trying to get him away from it. But yeah, so thank you guys so much for watching. Consider subbing down below. I'm just getting started really with this type of content on my channel. I hope you guys enjoy. Please be safe out there. Have a wonderful day. Make good choices, as Bailey Sarian likes to say. And I'll see you all in my next video. Bye.